some amazing drone video here. Just look at the damage that was done after an EF2 tornado slammed into this South Carolina high school.
Yeah, hard to believe what used to be there, right?
Yeah.
Teachers here at North Central High School in Kershaw County, they were already scheduled for a work day today and tomorrow. Our Gina Esposito was out there this morning. Gina, walk us through what you can see there right now. We can see the rain has picked back up in your area as well.
Yeah, it's starting to rain pretty heavy here now in Kershaw County. The EF2 tornado caused damage just about every building here at North Central High School. Just check this out behind me. 130-mile-per-hour winds. They took out windows here, tossed debris, tossed school buses actually, and even caused giant holes in the side of buildings. Check this out. We are told that this used to be a classroom for drama students. Now you can see that part of the ceiling collapsed. It's hard to tell what they had in here, whether they had desks in here, TVs, but there's just a lot of debris. I want to point your attention over here. This is the center of the school, and then right here we have Kershaw County Emergency Response. They have been here overnight. And just to the right of them, we have some of these green machines here. This is likely going to be used in some of the cleanup. Now, I want to show you some video of this area we shot here yesterday. That tornado rolled through late Saturday night. Thankfully, well, no one was here. The bus lot has some of the worst damage. Each bus weighs 30,000 pounds, and as you can see, that tornado picked them up and smashed them together like toys. The school's football stadium is in ruins. Bleachers collapsed and metal lights bent in half. All this devastating to those who have ties here.
Number one is catastrophic, there is no doubt. Some of the structures and buildings are not going to be salvageable. They're going to have to be rebuilt. I feel for the students who are involved because it'll be probably a couple of years before they're able to set foot back on this campus.
There are just about 500 students that attend school here, so district leaders trying to figure out what's next for the rest of the school year, possibly next, but we'll be here throughout the morning to walk you through this damage. Back to you.
Absolutely, Gina. Thank you so much. Glad to see again that no one was close enough to get hurt there. We do